That's fine.
That's gonna do it to the corners there.
You know that I'm not just talking to myself. It's finally skinned up. They put all this wonderful plastic. It was basically only one sheet that we needed. There's a window. Isn't it lovely? Zach is over there about to put together the door. However, it's all, well, this needs to be sealed in. We use tape, just regular packing tape, to you see, to seal the edges. This is kind of hanging off here. I have to fix that. I'll put furring strips to hold the plastic in place, make sure that it doesn't blow off, and for now I put bricks to make sure that the plastic doesn't blow off. I mean, it's really, you know, this is maybe my second greenhouse, but it's nice and cozy in here. It's almost 4 o'clock, so it's getting dark, but dark in New Jersey, but I have a greenhouse, yay! Tomorrow we'll fix the window and tighten up everything, hopefully.
Not. What's his father to get rid of the house?
Good morning. It's a good day in New Jersey, or at least in Newark, in my backyard. So I finally finished the greenhouse. I think I need to put some kind of insulation on the bottom, and my husband put this window up here. I'm not really liking, there's a big gap right there that needs to be sealed or whatever. Maybe bring this hinge up a little bit higher, but it's not a bad design. It rained, I guess, for 2 days straight. It was a really good rain, like cats and dogs, and it was kind of moist in here. I don't think it actually rained. I think it's also all the condensation. But got my shelves here. I think I'm gonna put my lettuce that's grown in flats. And this is some lettuce that I had in here before. I just watered it so it's all beat down a little bit, but it's okay. It's actually grown a little bit since it's been in here. And this is all a bunch of celery. I guess I'm gonna be eating celery all winter. And there's some potatoes in the back, which are doing pretty nicely. And a big old finger in the way. Whatever. Anyway, there's this big old space right here. Trying to figure out what to fill it with. But this is a fairly nice pathway. It's a good amount of space. Anyway, I'm enjoying it. I think I'm gonna put some hooks on the top and hang some plants somehow. I was thinking about putting potted bulbs in here to overwinter, because they don't overwinter very nicely in the outside in New Jersey. Anyway, there it is. Sorry about the sun. It's nice and balmy in there. I'm thinking it's about, I don't know, maybe 70 degrees plus. Not quite 80, but it's nice. Anyway, thank you for watching.